2024 Porsche 911 Carrera S in Agate Grey. Really beautiful car. Came in very well taken care of. New client brought it in after we were recommended to him. Like I said, he takes extremely good care of the car. It is a low mileage car, but still, I've seen plenty of brand new cars that look in horrendous condition, and this one had very, very minor issues to deal with. So it was mostly polished, partially paint corrected in some spots, but mostly just some polishing where we concentrate on getting as much gloss as possible. And then the exterior was ceramic coated. No PPF on this one. This car only occasionally gets driven. As you can tell, it's a beautiful, beautiful glossy finish. Beautiful metallic paint. So ceramic coating, 5-year ceramic pro package on the coating, and then we, on the glass. I'm confusing myself, on the paint, and it goes on the headlights and everything else on the exterior, and then we also then always do the windshield. And in this case, when there's roof glass involved, we then also do the coating on the roof glass, because had that been painted, we would have had to coat it anyway. One thing different with this car also is that the owner had the rear plastic piece painted in gloss black, and I think that was a very good decision, because it absolutely, to me, looks better than plastic. Plastic over time will fade, it'll get that grayish look. You can try to keep up with it, of course, but I think the gloss black absolutely looks better. Also very well set off the overall look is with the red calipers. We did not ceramic coat the wheels and calipers. The owner did not ask for that, but like I said, it's a barely driven car, so it shouldn't be that hard to keep up with that. And that goes very well with the red interior as well. I'm always partial to red interiors, because I think it really goes well with just about any exterior color. And in this case, red with gray is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, very, very beautiful car. I mean, I got a lot of Porsches here, but some, they don't have to be a top of the line model. Some just stand out to me. And this is one of them, just how well it's been taken care of. You'll be picking this up and then dropping off a Macan. I don't know if it's a Macan S, but the Macan will need a paint correction and get ceramic coating as well, just like we did with this. Yeah, let me do one more walk around this. I mean, this car, I think, came out really stunning. Get a more of an overhead view. See the gloss, the reflection. See the clouds in there. Ready to go, and we'll be doing the Macan next. So that'll be one of the next videos you guys will be seeing.